Welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to teach you about HTML text formatting. Okay, so I already have opened up the text editor that I use, the IDE. This is Visual Studio Code. Okay, so let me just reopen it so you can see it. Okay, so there you go, and I'm going to paste the boilerplate code first. I don't know why it was not working before. Okay, there we go. So we're going to change the title to anything that we want. Okay, so we want the title to be HTML text formatting. Okay, text formatting. Okay, so here's the title, and I'm just going to go to the body part. Okay, so today's topic is that we can talk about HTML text formatting. So what does the text formatting means? So it means that we're going to format the text. Okay. So it means that we're going to style the text as we want. We're going to format the text the way we want, or we're going to make that look the way we want. Okay. So there are a couple of tags. There are many tags for doing so. The first tag is the bold tag. Okay. So it's written as this, and inside first of all, let me just zoom in so you can see it. Okay. So is this coming out well? Let's zoom in even more. Okay, like this. Okay. So now I think it's good for you. Okay, so yeah, so inside the B tag I'm writing this is a bold text. Okay, so you might have guessed what this will do. Make this a bold text. Okay, so I don't have to explain too much. And I'm going to open this in live server. Okay, so open with live server. Here it will be opened in live server, and I'm also going to zoom this in so you can see it much clearly. Okay, so you can see that this is bold. This has been formatted as bold. Okay, this is what the bold tag does. Make the tags bold. Okay, but you could also do this using CSS, and that's the standard way. That's the good way to do it. Okay, so I mean any styling thing that we have for styling purposes, we use CSS. Okay, so whatever smooth or whatever kind of style is that, we're gonna most of the time usually use CSS. Why I'm teaching this? Because I don't want to miss out any tag. Okay, this is not useless. I mean you're gonna be using B tag also some of the times. Okay, for making the text B. So only CSS is not enough. Okay, so this is a bold text. It's been written, and okay, so you have seen that B tag makes it bold. Let me just make a note. Okay, so I've pasted the comment tag, and I'm gonna write. Okay, so what tag was that? B tag. Number 1 was a B tag. B tag. Okay. So what does the B tag do? It makes the text bold. So this is the work of B tag. This makes the text bold. Okay. Let's talk about the next tag in our list, and that is the I tag. Okay. So I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to by the content inside of this, this is written as italic. Okay, so you may have guessed what does it do? It makes the text italic, meaning it will be tilted. Okay, so let me just show you in the browser. Okay, so it was already open. So you don't need to open this again and again. So this is written as italic. You can see that this has been tilted a little towards the right. Okay, so this is what italic does. It makes it look like that. Okay, look like italic. This was the I tag. Again, let me make the note of this. Second tag of ours was the I tag. What does it do? It makes the text italic. So this is the work of the I tag. Let's talk about the next tag in our list. Next one is the sub, meaning subscript. Okay. So what it will do? Okay. So let's say any subscript, meaning at the bottom, at the bottom of any text, you want to write anything like in chemistry H2O, if you want to write H2 and then O. Okay, so don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Sub tag, this should go inside of any other tag. Let's say our p tag should be inside of any tag. So I'm going to write H2O. Let me just write that H, and then if I just I'm directly write H2O without the p tag, then it should look something like this. Let me show you. And you can expect what does it look like. I don't want to waste your time. This looks like this. This is not the standard way. This is not the way we want. Okay. We want this to come at the bottom or below H, so I can use subscript for that. I mean the sub tag, and if I use that tag, I can use any number or whatever, or even any letter you want inside the sub. So I want 2 to be inside this, and then O is going to be there. Okay, let me save it, and you can see here that is coming out to be H2O. Now it's looking pretty. The way we like. Okay, so this was about the sub tag. Again, let me make the note of this. Our sub tag. Okay, so it's sub tags. What does it do? It makes the text. Wait a minute. Let me start like this. It helps to write subscript. Okay, so it helps to write subscript. So that was the sub tag. This is what the sub tag does. And second tag is the SUP, superscript. Okay, so what does it do? Again, this is going to be used inside of other tag, another tag. Let's say again we're picking up the p tag. Let's say another tag. Take article. Okay, so we're using this inside the article tag, and I want to use the superscript tag. Superscript. Okay, so I'm going wait a minute. So anything that what does the superscript tag do? It helps you to write superscript, meaning that if you want to write any letter or any number above any letter or number, then you can use the superscript tag. Okay, so let me just show you an example. For example, in case I want to write, let's say in algebra, let's say a plus b to the whole square. Okay, so how this is going to be written as a, and then I'm going to have b and to the whole square. And if I add just exactly 2, you can how does it look like? But I don't want to look like this. I want it to be above that, so I can use another tag, which is going to be our superscript tag. Okay, so you can use this tag, and if I write 2 here, now 2 will come above it. Okay, like this. Okay, so now it's looking pretty, a plus b to the whole square, and there's a little space there because we have given it a space here. Okay, so if we remove it, that will look wonderful. Okay, so it's looking like this. Okay, so now you know what superscript tag do and what is it used for. Okay, so that's it. That was the superscript tag, and let me just make a note for you. Superscript tag. Okay, so used to give superscript. Give superscript. Don't know what to say. Superscript. Okay, used to give superscript. This is why we use the superscript tag. Okay, now let me just get rid of this. Get rid of these. Okay, there we go. And next tag in our list is the strong tag. Okay, let me place it here. Strong. So what does this strong tag do? It is used for writing an important text. Okay, so any text that we emphasize as important. For example, read this carefully. Okay, so it doesn't mean any sort of important text. Even if you don't want it to be bold, and you're gonna use it with the strong tag. It doesn't mean that. Okay, so it means we use the strong tag when we want the text to be bold and also to be somewhat important. Okay, but it's not that rigid rule that you have to use. You have to distinguish always when you're gonna use the B tag or when you're gonna use this strong tag. Okay, it's not like that. Okay, you can use both of them interchangeably. Okay, Let me just show you. Read this carefully. This is written in bold, and this is supposed to be, an important text. Okay, so this is supposed to be an important, an important text. Okay, so if I had written with B tag, it will still work, and there won't be any kind of wrong thing or effect on SEO. Okay, so most of the time you can use them interchangeably. You don't have to worry about it. Okay, but still in theory, strong tag is used for important text. Okay. Next one is the M tag. Okay, so emphasized tag. So this is an emphasized sentence. This is an emphasized sentence. Okay. So let's say I have written like this. Okay. Meaning that it will come out to be italic. This is an emphasized sentence. Okay. This comes out to be italic. Okay. So we mostly use like this. You have something. Any other tag. This tag nested inside of any other tag, like this, like article. Let's say one that this. Let's say right that this is. And we're going to emphasize a word here, and that is, let me just write here. Okay, so I've written the M tag, and let's say the word here is emphasized. Okay, so this is an emphasized, and let's say at the end word. Okay, so this is an emphasized word, and we're going to emphasize. We're going to put emphasis on this word. Then this word come out to be, as we expect, italic. Okay. So this is an emphasized word. Okay. So the rest of this is not emphasized. Not italic. This is only italic. Okay. So this is the purpose of this. Okay. So if you make it italic using the I tag, it will still be fine. But you are recommended using the EM tag when you want to put any emphasis. Okay. Okay. So yeah, you're going to use the M tag when you want to put any emphasis. Okay. So it's not like most of the time you can use it interchangeably. Okay, you can't use this one interchangeably most of the time because this has its use. Then please use it for its purpose. Okay, but still you don't have to worry even too much. Okay, when to use it, the M or when to use the italic. Okay, simply understand M is for making it emphasized when you put any emphasis. Okay. Okay. That was pretty much it. Okay, that was in this video. These were some tags. Okay, but one thing I forgot, and that was to make note. Okay. So I expect even if I'm not making note, you are following along, following me. Okay. Strong tag, and the M tag. Strong tag. This is used to used for important text. Important text is used for important text. Next one was number 6 was the EM tag. Okay, this is used for emphasized text. Okay, so these are notes. The notes. Okay, so you're gonna write them down if you need them. But if you're making the note, along with the video, then it's still fine. Okay, so okay, this was it, and this was in this video. Okay, so I hope you have learned something. Okay, so see you in the next video.